Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Fedex customers account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in okta.com/customers/Fedex and press enter. You will now be taken into the Okta website for Fedex, which manages the customer's account. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login page. Just type in the organization URL, which in this case is Fedex, and then from the drop-down menu alongside, you can choose your subdomain. After entering both of these, click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your customer ID and your password. Just go ahead and type in your customer ID followed by your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Okta Fedex customers account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Need Help Signing In option within the login page and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your customer's account with Fedex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.